Saturday and it's another beautiful day here in Mexico. As you have seen, we've been hanging out with Max and Lee and Occy, of course. They are aka Van to Cruise on Instagram. And we're gonna do a little van tour today. So I'll show you a little bit behind the scenes. Eamon's gonna be filming. And that's how we're gonna start our day today. Stay tuned for our van tour video. It'll probably come out in like a week or two. I'm really excited to share that with you. So let's get going. So Eamon's gonna be doing most of the videographying and stuff today. And my role is just to grab the alternative lenses and such. Do you guys wanna be hit with the second camera and say good morning to the vlog? Good morning, vlog. Morning! I just checked, it is 39 degrees here in Mexico. So it is hot and foggy. Anyways, we are en route to stock up for a couple of days. Lee and Max from another traveler were told about an awesome spot. We're thinking it's about 100 kilometers from here.
Let's rip rock and roll, mate.
Where we can,
where we can what, baby?
Where
we can what?
Where we can pull right up onto the beach. It's like a private beach. It's not even on Google Maps. So we're not gonna tell you exactly where it is because we want you to find out from another local traveler when you come down this way.
Yeah, keep it private, kids. Keep it private.
Yes, but we're on our way to the grocery store. We all need to fill up on as much water as possible, get as much groceries as possible. I think the whole gang is into and really open to all cooking together, which is a lot of fun. So I think this is gonna be a great way to end off Mexico.
Totally agree. Okay, can you set up the vlog? I'd really like to start talking to my new friend.
Oh, sure, baby.
Thanks.
All good.
Hey, what's your temperature reading?
Oh, are they actually?
Sick. What's their ETA?
Probably not till tomorrow.
Like we travel with the Minimal Millennials, Lee and Max have like a schoolie called Da Bus Friends. And they've told us so much about them, and it sounds like they've made their way south. They were waiting for a part or something somewhere north.
I don't really know how this intersection works here, so you just kind of roll through, I guess.
Anyways, it sounds like via the walkie that Da Bus will be coming to the secret spot with us.
Da Bus? What up, Da Bus?
There's gonna be a crew of 4 of us. That'll be awesome.
So guys, I think this is how you know how you're like real Mexican OGs. These guys, they didn't even think twice about putting shoes on. We're gonna load up on water, food, LaCroix, sunscreen, boogie boards, all the toys and food that you need. Oh, these guys are a little jealous of our walkie, so they're thinking about grabbing a set.
The cart is quickly filling up. We've got all sorts of goodies, tons of bananas. We're feeding 4 vegans, a couple of plant-based peeps, and then Da Bus apparently will be eating on their own.
We've got some horrible news, guys. This is the one grocery store we knew had hummus, and they're sold out of hummus. This just came in.
What's up, guys? Good to see you all.
What's up, what's up, what's up?
Whoa.
We bought way too much stuff. How jealous are you of that brand?
I love that. I mean, it's gonna break immediately, but I love this. We gotta get this thing.
Why did we do this?
Worst route of all time.
Follow the Aussie.
Oh, man. You crushed it, dude. That was a very, with your headband and everything back?
Show them these white sprinters.
Yeah. Oh, I'm seeing them.
Look at us.
That's super cute, dude.
The 3 vans are all parked in line. And when you get 3 white sprinters, you're bound to get people approaching looking for tours. So we got one tour happening over there, another tour happening over here. It's funny how much conversation and thinking is going in the sprinter van beside us. They're so FOMO out they don't have Milwaukee right now.
Our dash is reading 40 degrees Celsius. It is time to get to La Playa. Wow. Wow. I don't even have the energy to zoom in. You'll just have to trust us.
Trust us, it's 40 degrees.
I know.
I'll be quick.
Okay. You excited that Max is gonna be on?
Yeah, Max, you're a beauty.
I don't know why I'm encouraging this. I find the walkies
to have a third member on the walkie team.
so annoying. No, it's
I think
dead.
my battery's dying, dude.
No. That's brutal.
Where's the charger?
How would I know?
Well, you move things.
You move things.
Yeah, but don't forget, we can always drop it down to 7 and have our own little VIP combos if you're feeling a little FOMO.
Yeah, we might have to every once in a while, you know?
Yeah, what's the code word for dropping to 7?
I don't know, Pepe on half?
Love it.
Eamon wants to know if he looks ridiculous or just Jason Nash ridiculous when he wears it. When we headed to that private beach yesterday, we found a amigo on the side of the road who was watering flowers with water. And we filled up our solar shower for the first time, and it was the best thing ever. So right now I just handed Eamon a hose here at the gas station. And my buddy is filling up our shower so we can have a shower in the next couple of days. The shower itself was actually quite hot because you fill it up in the day and then the black acts as the solar heating thing. Wow. You guys know when you're so hot, it's hard to make sense of anything? That's me.
Pretty sure Christian's filling up his. That's his solar shower. Just a jug of water.
Squad is rolling out. I think I might have said this, but I was so hot earlier, I can't remember what I have told you and what I haven't. Is Vanta Cruise met somebody who told them about this spot, so it's completely unmarked. It's not on Google Maps, so we've just been going along, and the way we're getting to it is by the kilometer mark, which I think was around 321, wasn't it?
Yeah.
So we just hit 321. We've been having a grand old time with the walkie-talkie. Max is super cute and Lee are so cute on the walkies for their first round, aren't they?
Yeah, playing some riddles.
They're doing riddles and we're having
They're fitting in just fine, those two.
They really do fit in with the crew really well.
Yeah.
And it's so fun to kind of expand our crew for a few days. We're maybe gonna get the drone up in the air, so stay tuned for that footage. Just rolled into the beach area and everyone is out of the vans running around looking for an awesome spot for all three of us to park. It looks like in the distance there we've got 2 vans with surfboards next to them, so I think we must be in the right sneaky cheeky spot. The crew just walking up from that beautiful beach. Woo!
And there's good waves.
So everyone's setting up camp and Eamon, where is he? I think he's pooping in this little thing.
Brutal. Do not put that in the vlog.
Putting that in the vlog. But he had a bad time.
More coordination.
Lee's our director at the moment. She's telling everyone where to park.
So here's the setup for the night, guys. My beautiful wife to be. She's making watermelon chills for the crew.
So refreshing.
The crew is out exploring. Max and they are surfing. Minimal Millennials are doing a photo shoot. And here's the setup. We got the Oopa Loopa in the center. And we've gone for the U concept. So everyone's tucked in, all safe. Like, what number watermelon chill is that?
This is batch number 4.
Bit of a bug situation here by the beach.
Like,
so the nets are key. But I think that's it for the vlog. It was kind of like a crazy day of like stocking up, getting ready for to spend the next few days in this remote area. Tomorrow you'll actually be able to see a little bit more of the setup, and I'm super excited to just spend a few days, surf, hang out by the water, and enjoy the last 4 days that we have in Mexico. Anything else to add, babe?
That's it. If you guys did enjoy the video, please make sure.
Make sure whoa.
Please make sure you guys like, subscribe, tweet me at Eamon and back. Just kidding, I don't have that.
She doesn't even use Twitter. Okay, peace guys. Have a great day. Bye.